So today I picked a spot on a map that I thought would be a waterfall that I heard about, and took a bit of bush bashing to get to, but here it is. I'm going to explore a little bit and just see what's here. Right down at the end, where it meets Barowra Creek, there's a whole bunch of Aboriginal engravings. So I'll check out what the terrain is like. Maybe I'll go down there, maybe I'll just turn around and go back, I don't know. But I'm going to have a little look around here first because it's really restful. Down here there's a little pool. It was too hard going that way. Thought I found a route alongside some cliffs, but it's way too hard. So I'm back at the waterfall, kind of above it and to the left of it, facing this way. And now I've got to basically just retracing my steps now because I'm at the same spot I entered on. So I've just got to go up through there, rejoin the Great North Walk and head home. There is so much in this bushland, but every single one of these valleys has got one or two of them waterfalls. It's just a matter of getting out and seeing what's there. So I'm glad I did it. A bit dirty. Alright, home I go. I love the Barowra bush. I'm sure it's the same with bush everywhere, but because I live here and I've been around it, you can start to read the landscape a little bit more. Like you can see where water's flowed down, and it's kind of made a natural path for you to walk up. You can see like roo trails, or what could be roo trails, or some other animal trail. And you just follow them, you snake your way through, you can get where you want. It's not all bashing. I'm halfway out. Just up there is where the Great North Walk approaches a set of rock overhangs, and they're quite pretty, but I won't go down there this time. I'll just head straight home. It's been a good walk. I think you use poles more for sweeping away the cobwebs than I do for stability. Although I certainly needed them back there. This is what I mean. You see these little, they're almost paths. And it's a choose your own adventure kind of thing. As long as you're heading in the general direction you want to go, there's always a route. Hopefully. I go along up. I recognise those rocks through there. Now, yeah, so those rocks I came in on, just kind of got to go around the left side of them from here. Being very mindful of snakes. It's not really the season for them, but they can still be there. There was a lot of death adders a few months ago in Barara, maybe even just a month ago, and absolutely impossible to see. Let's just be around here. Now, I've gone higher than I did last time. Although, I don't know, I seem to remember some of this, so I don't know. Yeah, I think I came at it from down below and around before. This is quite a spectacular cave, and this is kind of what it looks like on the other side. Some more caves on the other side there, or overhangs. There's a house up there. I might have a rest here. And maybe go back down and around. This should take me back to the track. Okay. I mean, these cliffs are just amazing. And back on the trail. So down here you actually get the other side of those cliffs. And quite, you get quite amazing a bit further along. But, gotta get home now. This is almost too easy now. Funny thing is, I picked up a stick, and it's the exact same one that my son used the day before. So thanks, matey. Coonabarabra. You've got to get used to going up and up and up and up